Hey everyone, Ed Kiefer again, bringing you another Luxe highlight, and got the great opportunity to come down and be invited to a Luxe Owners Rally, and I'm visiting with Dave, and he has got an awesome looking unit with the tsunami paint job. If you can look at that, I love that paint job, and just wanted to ask you how you found us, and a little bit about what's your experience and what you really enjoy about your Luxe unit.
Well, we've been researching the RV life, full-time life, for quite a long time, 3 or 4 years, and over the years kept coming across what was then Augusta and then has moved into the RV factory. We said, well, we got to see one of those, so we went to the Tampa RV show and found one there and found Deb there, and we said, okay, this is what we're going to do. Even though we looked at other things for comparison, we said this is what we're going to do. And then sometime after that we went up for a factory tour, multiple factory tours, and after seeing that said, oh yes, this is really what we want to do. So that's kind of how we found the RV factory. Then the building process, which was very nicely done, and we made some modifications, and they were so willing to work with us and make the trailer like we wanted to make it, and that was another big deal. So even that, just above and beyond the excellent construction that we felt like Luxe has, the RV factory has, and that kind of led us to where we are, and now we've been full-timing 8 days.
Ooh.
So it's all brand new for us in a fashion. We sold our bricks in 6, and now here we are 8 days into our journey, and we're just loving it so far. We thought this Luxe Rally would be a great thing to come visit other Luxe owners, see other units, talk, just meet people, get other ideas, whether about the trailer or otherwise.
Nice. Thank you.